Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find ZeroBase wallet address on Binance. So as you can see, ZeroBase just get list on Binance Spot, and if you want to transfer your ZeroBase token from other wallets or airdrop to Binance, you have to find the wallet address first. So I will show you how in this video step by step. So first, you can open your Binance apps. And then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here, and then you can click add funds here, and then choose on-chain deposit, and then in the search box you can search ZBT for ZeroBase. This one, click it, and there are 3 network. So in this video I will choose BSC because it's cheaper and faster, but it's up to you. I will choose BSC, and this is my ZeroBase wallet address on Binance. I can copy it or scan it, and make sure when you transfer it, the network you choose is same, otherwise your token will be gone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.